Hello everyone, I am Rajeswari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Dr. Mrs.M.Rajeswari College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In my today's session, we are going to see about computer networks. Types of network. There are commonly three types of networks are available. On the basis of geographical area, the networks are divided into three types. One is a local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. On the basis of network architecture, it is divided into two types, that is peer-to-peer network architecture and client-server network architecture. Peer-to-peer network architecture. Peer-to-peer network is a network in which all the computers are linked together with the equal privilege and responsibilities for processing the data. Peer-to-peer network is useful for small environments, usually up to the 10 computers. Peer-to-peer network has no dedicated server. Special permissions are assigned to each computer for sharing the resources, but this can lead to a problem if the computer with the resource is down. This is a block diagram of peer-to-peer network. Advantage of peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer network is easier to set up. The peer-to-peer network is less expensive. The peer-to-peer network, all nodes are act as a server as well as client, therefore no need to dedicate it to server. Each node has equal privileges to access the resources of its own and other nodes connected to the network. It is suitable for a small sized network which has maximum 10 nodes. Disadvantages of peer-to-peer network. Its performance becomes very poor for large size of network. No centralized server is available to manage and control the access of data. Network security problems due to equal privileges of the nodes. Data recovery or backup is very difficult. Each computer should have its own backup system. After this, we can see about client-server network architecture. The client-server model describes how a server provides resources and services to one or more clients. Examples of server include web servers, mail servers and file servers. Each of these servers provide resources to client devices such as desktop computers, laptops, tablets and smartphones. Most servers has a one-to-many relationship with clients, meaning a single server can provide resources to multiple clients at a time. This picture shows the client and server system, that is more than one clients are connected with one single server. Client-server network architecture. Client-server architecture works when the client computer sends a resource or process request to the server over the network connection, which is then processed and delivered to the client. A server computer can manage several clients simultaneously, whereas one client can be connected to the several servers at a time, each providing a different set of services. In its simplest form, the internet is also based on client-server architecture, where web servers serve many simultaneous users with the website data. Advantages of the client-server architecture. The client-server architecture is easier for centralized administration, controlling and monitoring the entire network from a server. It provides centralized backup and recovery. It is easier for the managing the large size networks. Security. Rules defining security and access rights can be defined at the time of setup of servers. Server can play different roles of different clients. Disadvantages of the client-server architecture. Congestion in network. Too many requests from the client may lead to congestion. Overload. Overload can lead to breaking down the server. Cost. It is very expensive to install and manage this type of computing. You need professional IT people to maintain the servers and other technical details of network. Next, we can see about network topologies. Topology refers to the physical structure of the networking that deals with how computers are interconnected with using cabling system. Common LAN topologies are bus, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, mesh topology and hybrid topology.